Here's how we can use the Pro mode in camera on a CMF Phone 2 Pro. So first of all, we're gonna open the camera, and of course we need to go to the Pro mode. In order to find the Pro mode, we need to switch to More. By default, the Pro mode is hidden over here, and it is called Expert. And of course, after that you should be able to get the access to different parameters that we can adjust that are used in order to craft the ideal photo. So if you don't know what these parameters do, let me try to quickly explain. So first we have EV, which is exposure, and this slider allows you to adjust the overall brightness of your image. It is a simple and quick way to make the photo lighter or darker, and this seems to be the only option that doesn't allow you to set it to be automatic, so it is always manual. And if you want to reset it, we have this button over here on the right side, the circle with an arrow. Besides that, we also have ISO, and ISO controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. A low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and a higher ISO helps in low light, but too high can add grain or noise. So over here we can also move left and right, and this is how we can adjust the ISO. Of course, we can tap on the reset button in order to go to automatic. S over here is the shutter speed, and it decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Low shutter speeds let in more light, which is good, for example, for night shots, but it can generate a blur for the motion. And fast shutter speed allows you to freeze the action. And of course over here, once again, we can move left and right and set to automatic by resetting this value. WB is the white balance, which adjusts the color temperature, so whites look white and the colors look natural. You can also apply more cool colors by moving to the left over here, and warm colors by moving to the right side. And finally, we have the focus. So over here we can move all the way to the left in order to or of course all the way to the right in order to decide what should be sharp in your photo, and this can also be set to automatic. And that is essentially everything that we have in the Expert mode or the Pro mode on the CMF Phone 2 Pro. Besides that, we have some options over here by tapping on this arrow, like for example the RAW format, the aspect ratio, the timer, the flash, and that seems to be it, and of course the camera zoom. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!